It's on now. Sorry about that.
If anyone...
Pati Pavan Shri Nityananda Prabhu ki jai, Prem Purushottam Shachinandana Gaur Hari ki jai, Radha Vino Bihari Ju ki jai, Harinam Sankirtana ki jai, Gaur Bhaktivedanta ki jai, Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Govinda Damaso Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Dharmadhaveti. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Shri Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai, Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. So very much, whoever's, oh my God.
It's pointing at me.
Is it? Now it's pointing at me. All right.
Would you do it, Boss? Oh my God.
What's going on here?
Is it on me?
No, now it is. It's great. Let's put it on Thakurji. Chai. All right. This is a new phone for us. We don't know how to use it yet. And it's also slippery. It's slippery. So we don't know how to accommodate this. Look, there's a beautiful shalagram. There's a beautiful picture of Gurudev. Okay. Yeah.
It's 113.
What's 113?
The degrees.
Okay, so we're making the excuse that because the temperature is so hot, we're making mistakes. Wow, look at them, how beautiful.
Okay, turn it off.
So I just wanted to thank you all. Oh, maybe I'm going to flip it around, okay? Hare Krishna, flipping. Haribo. So thank you all very much for being with us today, and we look forward to being with you all tomorrow. Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam, Radhe Radhe. Everyone say Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.
Jai Radhe Radhe.